exploring the meaning of I'm yours. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might hear in songs, movies, or daily conversations. I'm yours. It sounds simple, but there's a depth to it. Let's uncover its meanings and how to use it. At its core, I'm yours is made up of two components. 1. I'm, a contraction of I am. 2. Yours, a possessive pronoun indicating belonging to you. So, literally, it means I belong to you. But what does that signify in various contexts? In romantic scenarios, I'm yours is a sweet and heartfelt way to express commitment, saying you're dedicated to someone; affection, showing deep feelings for someone; submission, signifying you're giving your heart to someone. For example, imagine two people deeply in love. One says, "Do you believe in love?" The other replies, "Absolutely, because I'm yours." Beyond romance, the phrase can also be used in platonic situations. In these contexts, it can mean loyalty, you're on someone's side; availability, you're ready to help or be of service; submission, you're under someone's guidance or authority. For instance, if a friend is moving and needs assistance, they might ask, "Can you help me this Saturday?" You could reply, "Absolutely, I'm yours," meaning, I'm available and at your service. This phrase isn't just limited to personal conversations. It's also popular in songs, movies, and literature. Many artists use it to convey feelings of deep affection or commitment. For example, there are songs titled I'm Yours, where the singers express their deep connection and commitment to their loved ones. So there you have it. I'm yours is a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts. Whether you're expressing deep romantic feelings, showing loyalty to a friend, or singing along to your favorite song, this phrase has a rich depth of meaning. We hope this video has shed some light on it for you. Keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.